Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sean Harper and I've got the unboxing for you guys, and that's the Soundpeats Q12. So let's check out the box. So on top you have the picture of the Q12 or the Q12. On the side you have the branded Soundpeats. On top you have the logo, and on the sides you have all the information and the cost of this product and what you get in the box. And at the back you have the battery life. It's using the Qualcomm aptX and the wingtips, so secure fit. And right below that you have the open here. It's written on that. So I already cut the tab, so just open it. So nothing inside. So on top you have the earphones itself, so let's take it out and put this aside. Below that we have a pouch. Just a normal, I don't think it's real leather, it's just genuine leather with Soundpeats written on that. Below that, as you can see, something interesting. Don't forget me, take me out. So okay, you have the USB cable. It's not USB type C, but it's normal USB for charging the earphones. You also have some additional tips and clips and wing tips. You can choose from small, medium to large. You also have the quick start guide in a small paper. So if you don't know how to use it, you can see this and use it. You also have the information, like any problem you can contact them, Soundpeats. And below that there's a very thick book, as you can see. They use your manual. So if you never owned a Bluetooth earphone, you can read this, but it's pretty simple to set it up. So let's check out the earphone itself. It's in this small plastic container, so let's take it out. So it's already installed with a medium tip and a medium wing tip. So if this doesn't fit you, you can always remove this. And the length of this earphones is pretty mediocre, I would say. It's not too long, it's not too short. It has the correct length. What differs this from other Bluetooth headphones is the remote itself. Coming to the remote, as you can see, the remote is very thin. It's just a little bit thicker from the cable. And what differs this from other earphones is that the remote is very thin. When you compare this to other Bluetooth earphones, they are very thick remote, and that can become uncomfortable if you're using this as a workout earphones. Since this is very thin, it doesn't cause you any problem, and you can use it in the gym or when you're going for a run, depends on you. To charge this earphones, you actually have a slot over here. You can see DC in. You need to remove the slot and use the USB cable given by the company to charge this. And the company claims 8 hours of usage time, but I need to check it out. I'm not sure, but probably it will come around 8 hours. I already owned a Soundpeats QY7 in the past, and it actually gave me somewhere around 8 hours. So the battery backup for this company is very nice, and you can rely on this company. Soundpeats also made another earphone which was very famous, I think a year back, which is this one. This is the QY7. It never had a remote on the cable, but the remote was already built on the earbud itself, which made it a little bit bulky, but you have a cable, and they also give you some cable management clips. You can tie it, just make the cable a little bit shorter. So as you can see, the design change. Started off with the remote on the headphones, and I have a video for this on my channel, you can check it out. What you can see, there's no remote on this, so it's a little bit thin when compared to this. And the remote's on the cable, while for this one, the remotes are on the earbuds. So there are a lot of changes when compared to the QY7 to Q12. The pouches itself, the QY7 came with a very hard pouch, as you can see, with a small Velcro compartment to put some extra tips or USB cable if you want. And this is very secure. As you can see, it's hard enough to protect your earphones. While they switched it up, the company, and now they're giving you this, a small pouch, very flimsy, nothing inside, as you can see. So yeah, that's the changes, big changes over there, which is the remote change placement and the pouch. Coming to the sound quality of this, the vocals actually very clear, and the bass is also very punchy, I would say. But I don't think this is the comfortable earphones, because I just tried it out and I felt it's a little bit uncomfortable because of the flimsiness of this tip. When you compare to this one, as you can see, the tip is nice and strong, nice and wide, I would say. It's just my personal opinion. I felt this one fits me way better when compared to this, but both have the same sound, same signature sound, because both are being manufactured by the same company. But yeah, there might be a little bit difference, like battery time, how long the battery will last. And since the design of this is very slim when compared to this, so you're not going to find any uncomfortability when using this. But I felt this fitted way better when compared to this. So guys, to conclude this video, I would say that this earphones is very nice because of the design of the remote, and the sound quality has very good clarity, and the bass is also very punchy, and I would give a go for this product. If you're interested in this product, you can check the link in the description, and do support my channel by hitting the subscribe button and liking my channel, and comment below if you have any questions and I will answer them. And thank you guys for watching. I'm Sean Upper. Catch you guys in another video.